side by side, no matter what the world may say.